Hey guys, Brad and Ali here from Ocean Protect here in beautiful Purga. This will be the site of a Filterra bioretention system. We're just about to kick off installation, and this will be the first of two Filterra bioretention systems in Ipswich City Council. This one is going to be 192 square metres, the other one's 296 square metres, so collectively about 488 square metres of Filterra bioretention system. We're just about to kick off construction. Ali was the design engineer, and Ali's been checking off all the levels, etc., making sure everything's in the right location. But all the walls have been put up, the pits are installed, the coring's to be done. This is essentially where we come in. We put the liner down, the dividing walls, the gravel, the filter meter, the under drainage, the bubble up pipes, the mulch and the plants. And then we look to better protect the waterways of Ipswich City. What do you reckon, Ali?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. Boom.